What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I wanted to make this video as a follow-up to my last video. So in my last video, I installed the Track Edition exhaust, right? So the Track Edition from AWE, what it does is it deletes the muffler. So that way it's always loud. Efficient mode is loud, Sport is loud, Sport Plus is loud. I enjoy it, it's good for me, but it ain't so good for the neighborhood. It ain't so good for the passenger on those long drives with the drone. So you know what? In this video, this is my follow-up. I contacted AWE. I told them, yo, I need the SwitchPath. I need a muffler to plug and play right into the same system, and I need to be able to be quiet sometimes, and I still need to be able to let the car scream when I wanted to. Put in Sport Plus, hit the highway, and just wild out. Under the speed limit, of course, you know, legally speaking. And for those trips to Mexico. So in this video, I'll give you guys a quick overview of me installing the SwitchPath muffler. It's not a true install guide. This is not very detailed in that regards. There's actually other install videos on YouTube way more thorough. So I linked one in the description that helped me a lot personally. So in this video, it's more of an overview, my impressions, some sound clips, a little bit of driving. You get a good feel for what it's like in the cabin. And yeah, enjoy. There we go. One side is down. Wiggle out the other side, trying not to scratch the diffuser and the tips. There we go. Track Edition is off. Put this. There we go. All right. All right, everything's torqued down. Let's go. So right now, I'm on the highway. Car's still a bit cold. I'm in efficient mode. As you can hear, I've got the window down. As you can hear, there's not much drone. It's pretty quiet. It's very livable, doable. Like, this is fine. I'll put the window up for a second. So this is the in-cabin sound. I'm doing 50 miles an hour within the legal limit, of course. You know, we follow all the laws out here. And as you can tell, as you can hear, it sounds pretty okay. It sounds pretty good. I could definitely take a long drive at this noise level. And this is with no music being played. So imagine you're playing your favorite song. You're not gonna hear or care about any drone or anything like this on a long drive. Gotta be careful on this turn here. It rained last night. It's a little wet out here. My tires are still cold. Don't want to go, you know, sliding into a ditch or anything, you know what I mean? A little downshift. Solid. We're gonna let the oil warm up before we go to Sport Plus. Get some sound clips, some in-cabin clips of what that sounds like. Okay, so now we're in Sport Plus. The valves are gonna open as soon as I get this RPMs a little higher, and the traffic's opening up a bit. So let's see if I get a good clip for you guys. There we go. Woo, that was good. Alright, careful, it's a little slippery out here. The tire's still a little cold. Got my traction control on. Woo! Still got a nice little sound to it. A good little deeper tone to it. It's not quite the track edition, but this is nice. This is a good compromise. And trust me, it gets better when the exhaust is warmed up. We're still a little cold. I've only been driving for about like 14, 15 minutes, it says.